What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV. We back with another video. Feels good to be back. If you haven't already, check out my recent video. I did a review on the Air Jordan 5 Low Clout Jades collab. Like I said, I've been going through a rough week, and just to prevail myself to, whatever. Let me just do these videos. Obviously, this is something I wanted to do since I started, and I'm dealing with something, but we're gonna, through the grace of good faith and all that, we'll make it through. But I don't want to make these videos any down. Let's just build up that energy. So like I usually say, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, comment whatever you want. I respond to all my comments. Like this video, share the channel. Let's get more people to join the squad. We're on our way to 500 plus subs. So subscribe, show some love, as well as check out my main channel and my Instagram. Those links will be down below in the description. So you see the title of this video. Like I said, I'm gonna just start rolling with all this stuff I gotta film for you guys. So yeah, you see the title, so let's get right into it. No further ado. I don't think there's nothing really else much to say, but yeah, that's it. And I'm wearing a hoodie because I was cold last night, but I just finished cooking me some breakfast. So let's film this video so my food don't get cold. And no further ado, let's get it. Alright, so off rip, regular Jordan box, typical, regular, whatever. Now, it's a size 11. So off rip, what I'm gonna say about these is, these are like some new shadows of colorway looking like, right? They call it the smoke gray, black, white, Jordan 1 lows. Now, this sneaker just started coming out of nowhere, and I guess it does go for a lot on resale. It is hot, so I'm gonna take this hoodie off after I film this video because I feel like I'm gonna pass out. I just finished cooking. But either way, so they've been restocking between Dick's Sporting Goods online and Finish Line, all this stuff. So literally, if you don't know, sometimes when they have random days, they'll do restocks or something on JD Sports or Finish Line sometimes. And sometimes you have to go through the queue because you're late, or sometimes you're through the queue fast enough or you're already on the website that you get through. So I was supposed to have 2 pairs, but they cancel my other because sometimes they'll oversell. It doesn't always mean that you're trying to buy 2 on the same account, which I do realize you can't buy the same product on the same account. You have to have multiple accounts, like email accounts and all that stuff. I don't know how much with the shipping, with the payment have to be different. I don't really know. I don't think so, no, because I got 2 sneakers with the same payment, same address, just different email, if that makes sense, right? So they canceled my size 9. I got the size 11, and because I used it on Finish Line, JD, whichever one I forgot I got it from, I used my $20 discount code, so I got this for $20 less, so under retail. So let's get further ado. Let's get into these. I'm probably gonna sell these ASAP because what my new model is, if I got a shoe that's 3 pairs or less, just sell them. But if it's 4 pairs and up, then hold them. So size 11 right here, smoke gray. Let me make sure they call it. Yeah, they call it the smoke gray. So light gray, smoke gray, whatever gray you want to call it. Right here in the flesh, Jordan 1 lows. Now, like I said, they came out of nowhere. This colorway, obviously, it goes for a lot of profit. Not a lot, but I don't really know the market right now. But if you're able to cook these for a low price, they probably will go up long term. But I only got 1 pair, so I might as well just get rid of it. No need to show you the other shoe because it's literally the same shoe. But smoke gray, Jordan 1 lows right here. I will put the official title. Obviously, you'll see it by now. I don't really know how they word it on StockX name and GOAT's name. But yeah, I just want to go over these. Like I said, I got these in the mail recently, and I was able to hit 1 pair. And that's good to get pairs. I know in GS, they'll probably go up if they even have GS of these. They probably would, obviously. It's a Jordan 1 low. There's no reason why they wouldn't make, a GS version. But let me know what you guys think about these colorways. The color blocking perfect for what you would want. The gray hair, the black, and only white in the middle blocking, and in the bottom, of course, right here. And then it covers by the bottom, which is that gray. Now, to me, this is probably, if not, the perfect colorway for these colors. The perfect color blocking for these colors. You got that smoke gray with black logo on the back. We got the smoke gray logo on the Jordan logo right there on the tongue. Like I said, look at it. From far, it could look like a GS size, but this is a size 11 men's. Long term, they probably will go up. But like I said, if you only got 1 pair, why hold on to it? There's no point. Just sell it, get your profit, and keep it moving. But I just wanted to show you guys a quick little review on these smoke grays. Are you a fan of these? Are you a fan of Jordan 1 lows? You know, all that good stuff. You guys know I do reviews on lows and mids a lot. So, yeah, let me know. Do you guys know about this colorway? Is it exciting? Do you want it for personal? Or do you think they're a good investment? Either way, whichever side of the board you stand on, leave a comment. Obviously, I will respond to all my comments and read them. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think about these. Are they a clean colorway? I believe so. Like I said, they probably will be dropping in stores at some point, not only just online. But if you see these in any size, grab it. They're going for profit. So, don't sleep at all. You could get a full, you know, knowing the way my luck works, I'll have one pair, I'll sell it. Next thing you know, I end up seeing it all in the stores, and now I'm buying a full-size run, and then I could have had one right here to hold for, you know, resale to hold. Because, say, for example, I can make 50 bucks off this, but then I end up getting a full-size run. Like I said, my pattern of if it has 3 or more pairs, just hold it. Then instead of making $50 on this, I could have hold it to at least make 80, if that makes sense. But we'll see how the market goes. We'll just see how everything ends up happening with these shoes. But yeah, one final look. Like I said, light smoke gray, whichever colorway you want to call it. You know, let me know what you think about these in the comments. And I'm out of here. Your boy Little Roy's out. Like my video. But yeah, like the video, comment, all that stuff. But besides that, go follow me on Instagram as well as check out the main channel. That's very important to me. You know, I do these videos for you guys as well as myself to always look back and also show you. But at the same time, only thing I ask for is to check out the main channel as well as my Instagram. Just follow me, say what's up, all that good stuff. I didn't do a thumbnail, so let's just get the thumbnail real quick. Boom. Hopefully the video comes out brighter than what it is, because on the camera reflection it looks dark. But that's it for me, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting, continuously watching. You know, we almost to 500 subs, so just keep supporting me, and I appreciate you guys always. I wouldn't be doing this video if nobody was watching. So shout out to you guys, and like I said, show love to the recent video. I'm probably gonna film the video for the dunks next, or these lows, whatever. Yeah, that's it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Your boy is out. Peace.